Your car doesn't need to be brand new to feel smarter, cleaner, and more comfortable. Today, we're checking out some useful car gadgets that can upgrade your driving experience, from Bluetooth audio and phone mounts to dash cams, detailing tools, sun protection, and smart accessories that make every ride easier. Watch till the end, because one of these gadgets might be the simple upgrade your car is missing.
Give your old car modern Bluetooth in seconds. This FM transmitter is made for cars that do not have built-in Bluetooth or modern audio features. Just plug it into your car, connect your phone, and you can play music, take hands-free calls, and upgrade your driving experience without replacing the stereo. It is perfect for older vehicles, daily drivers, road trips, and anyone who wants cleaner phone connectivity on a budget. Instead of dealing with aux cables or boring radio, this small gadget makes your car feel more modern instantly. Snap your phone in place and drive cleaner. This Magsafe car phone holder keeps your phone secure and easy to see while driving. The magnetic design makes it quick to attach and remove your phone, so you are not fighting with clips, clamps, or awkward mounts every time you get in the car. It is useful for maps, hands-free calls, music control, and daily commuting. Simple, clean, and modern, this is one of those car accessories that makes your dashboard feel more organized and your drive more convenient. Block the glare your factory visor misses. This sun visor extender helps protect your eyes from harsh sunlight, low-angle glare, and bright reflections while driving. It gives extra coverage beyond your standard car visor, making morning drives, evening commutes, and long road trips more comfortable. It is especially useful when the sun hits from awkward angles that your normal visor cannot cover. Easy to attach and practical every day, this simple gadget can make driving safer, clearer, and less stressful. Park in the perfect spot every single time. This garage parking aid is made for drivers who want a simple way to avoid parking too far forward, too far back, or too close to the wall. It helps guide your car into the right position, making garage parking easier, cleaner, and less stressful. It is perfect for tight garages, new drivers, family cars, and anyone who wants to protect their bumper, wall, tools, or storage shelves. Simple but useful, this is one of those small car gadgets that can save you from annoying parking mistakes. Bring back that fresh detail shop shine at home. This dual-action car polisher is built for removing light scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, and dull paint without needing a professional detail shop. It helps spread wax, polish, and compound more evenly, giving your car a cleaner, glossier finish right from your driveway. It is perfect for car lovers, weekend detailers, and anyone who wants their paint to look sharper without paying for every polish job. With the right pads and polish, this tool can turn a tired-looking car into something that feels freshly detailed. Turn your driver's seat into a mini workstation. This steering wheel desk tray gives you a flat surface inside your car for eating, writing, working on a laptop, or using a tablet while parked. It hooks onto the steering wheel and creates a quick temporary desk when you are taking a break, waiting between jobs, or working on the road. It is especially useful for delivery drivers, road warriors, sales workers, students, and anyone who spends a lot of time in their car. Compact and easy to store, it turns your vehicle into a more practical space when you are not driving. Turn wired car audio into wireless Bluetooth. This Bluetooth receiver is made for cars, speakers, or audio systems that still rely on an aux input. Just plug it in, connect your phone, and you can stream music, podcasts, GPS audio, and hands-free calls without keeping your phone tied to a cable. It is perfect for older cars that still sound good but lack modern wireless features. Small, simple, and easy to use. This gadget gives your existing car audio system a clean Bluetooth upgrade without replacing the stereo. Mount your camera where a tripod can't go. This camera suction cup mount is built for capturing unique car shots, travel clips, behind-the-scenes footage, and moving angle videos. It can attach to smooth surfaces like car windows, body panels, glass, or tiles, giving you more creative camera angles without needing a full rig. It is useful for creators, vloggers, car enthusiasts, and anyone filming driving content or product shots. Compact but strong, this mount lets you capture footage from places your hands or tripod could never safely hold. Control your car accessories like a real off-road build. This 8-gang switch panel is made for drivers who run multiple accessories like LED light bars, fog lights, rock lights, air compressors, horns, or other 12-volt gear. Instead of messy switches and tangled wiring across the dashboard, it gives you one clean control panel for your setup. It is perfect for off-road vehicles, trucks, SUVs, overlanding builds, and custom car projects. Clean, organized, and much more professional looking, this gadget makes your vehicle feel ready for serious adventure. Turn a normal car wash into a foam-covered detail session. This electric foam sprayer is made for drivers who want a faster, cleaner way to wash their car at home. Instead of manually mixing soap or dragging out a full pressure washer setup, it helps cover your car with thick foam so dirt, dust, and grime can loosen before you start wiping. It is perfect for weekend car washes, driveway detailing, motorcycles, wheels, and outdoor cleaning jobs. Simple, portable, and satisfying to use, this gadget makes car washing feel more fun and more professional without needing a full detailing shop. 3 cameras watching your car from every angle. This 3-channel dash cam records the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle at the same time, giving you more complete protection than a basic single-camera setup. It is especially useful for daily driving, rideshare drivers, road trips, parking security, and anyone who wants extra proof if something happens. With multi-angle recording, night driving support, and continuous evidence capture, it helps protect you from accidents, hit and runs, false claims, and unexpected moments on the road. It is one of those car gadgets you hope you never need, but you will be glad you have it when you do. Block the heat before your car turns into an oven. This windshield sunshade umbrella is designed to protect your car interior from harsh sunlight, heat buildup, and UV exposure when parked. Instead of fighting with a folding sunshade, it opens like an umbrella and covers the windshield quickly. It is perfect for hot days, outdoor parking, road trips, and anyone who hates stepping into a burning hot car. Compact, easy to store, and quick to use, this simple gadget helps keep your steering wheel, dashboard, and seats cooler while protecting your interior from sun damage. Clean the tiny spots your regular wash always misses. This car detailing brush set is made for deep cleaning the small areas that are hard to reach with a normal cloth or sponge. From air vents and dashboard gaps to wheels, emblems, cup holders, door panels, and trim pieces, it helps remove dust, dirt, and grime from every little corner. It is perfect for car lovers, weekend detailers, and anyone who wants their interior and exterior to look cleaner without paying for a professional detail every time. With multiple brush sizes and tools, this set gives you more control and makes your car feel freshly cleaned inside and out. And that's it for today's car gadgets. Which one would you add to your car first? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and ring the bell for more useful gadgets, car accessories, and smart upgrades. See you in the next video.